Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Wanted to unbox this ScanNCut DX. My husband was super sweet, and I had this on my wish list for quite a while, and for my birthday he finally got me this one. So let's go ahead and have a look. I picked the color blue, but let's have a look inside and see what this comes with. Alright, we have the box open. So first up, I see this. It has a little guide. So it might be the manual on how to get started. Let's see. And it looks like we also have a project that we'll be working with. Oh, this is so exciting. So my friend Joanne and I have been kind of talking about which machine to get, and I wanted to get this because it's the possibilities are endless. It does some fabric cutting and all these other things that I think will come handy with my crafting. So I have our manual, we'll look at that later. It looks like we have our cord in here. Let me just open it. Okay, so we have the cord. It's a big box for that. And here's our die. So let me just pull this out and we'll have a good look at this. I have it out of the box. That is a beautiful color. This is a pretty big size, and there's a reason for that. This also included a 12 by 12 little mat here. So I've been watching a lot of the videos of them using this machine. I just love that it cuts more than one project an image, and it looks like there's some paper there that we're going to be using for our first project. And inside, this is what it looks like. Let me just see what's under here. Take that out and lift this. I think we have our other piece here. We have our blade. We got the blade, and we have our spatula and our stylus. So that comes with this as well. So I'll install that in a few. And we have a little storage box here. Now let me see what this is a storage little container. I'm gonna have to take this guy off. And we'll take this out, and let me just set this up, and let's give this guy a try with one of the first projects that they included. Alright guys, so I have my blade installed. Now we're going to try and see if we can make the project that they included. So I'm just reading this one real quickly. It says, use your stylus and pick the pattern. And we'll go here, and it says choose the box. And then select that. So we can adjust it, but we are going to go ahead and set that. And that's how it's placed on our mat. We are going to say OK. Okay, so I'm going to unload it, and let's have a look and see if it did the cut. Alright guys, I am back at my other table, and let's do a reveal and see. It says just to pull this off. Mat. I love it. It looks like it did it. So we have the base of our card, and we are going to use our spatula. So we have our little gift box here, and that's so wonderful. I didn't need to get a die cut for it. The next part I want to do is try and cut some little sentiment that I can attach to it. Let's give that a shot. Sorry about the weird angle, still trying to figure out how to position it on this table, but now we are here at the home section. We'll press pattern, and I'm going to create the sentiment. I guess we'll just go with that. It says this one's 2 inches by 5. Maybe I'll make it a little smaller so you can adjust the size here. I'll make it right at 2 inches. Let's see. Oopsie. That might be 1.5. Let's try that. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to take out that beeping. But anyway, so that's the size. I will set it there. And I'll say okay. And then before I do that, I have to load my mat over here. I'm going to select, cut, and we'll start. And it tells you it'll take a minute to cut that. So I'm going to say okay, and that is it. It is done. Let's see if that cut that right. Alright guys, so I have just taken out the words that were cut on our mat. Now it is a little too big for a cute little gift box here, but I'm definitely still experimenting. It's my first time using this machine. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and our first project making this cute little box. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.